Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm doing a little archival video on how to create a bar plot in RStudio. A bar plot is basically a bar chart used in data analysis, and RStudio can be quite a complicated piece of software, and this is a bit of a university level of tutorial. You are not expected to do this in secondary school. And if you're into data analysis, this video is for you. When it comes to RStudio, we first make sure that we have the imported Excel table. This is quite easy to do, and I might show you how to do this in a different tutorial. But the table is here. Now, before examining the table and actually using this, you always want to clean the data, transform the data, and make sure there are no mistakes, otherwise it would look quite unprofessional. For this table we have the item, the quantity sold, the price per item, and the total sales. To get the bar plot, we first need to write our code down here. Now, coding in RStudio, it's not the most hardest thing to do, however it takes a lot of practice to get it right. We start off with library read Excel, which is basically like a package which allows you to read Excel files. You do have to install this package. We then have our food shop, which is the table itself. We use read Excel for this software to read the Excel spreadsheet. There is an XLSX, which is a Excel file. We then use view food shop, which is one of the more easier to commands though. And this is our data frame, which captures all the items which are found in the table. Please note though, you do have to check for spelling mistakes and make sure that this is extremely accurate. Otherwise, the data will be messy and you might not get the best results. We then list the quantity sold, the price per item, and the total sales. Remember, use the underscore. This is a key thing. A lot of students who are doing this do not use the underscore, and hence why the application just does not work. We have everything listed down here. Now, as far as I know, it doesn't actually matter what order you do this in. Everything just needs to be spaced out as normal. We then have the bar plot command instruction. So this is asking for the total sales, which will go on the y-axis, and the names of the items go onto the x-axis. Remember, this is all pretty much customizable. The columns are configured to light blue. However, if you're working with people who are colorblind, you might need to pick a different color. And again, this is all customizable. You also have the main, which is basically the total sales of the food shop items. This is important as it needs to appear on the y-axis. We have the items, which are on the x-axis, and the total sales, which are found on the left, so the y-axis. We also have the names as well. Again, this can all be changed, and you have the grid command, which is optional. It gives you a little grid here. Now, before I started the recording, I did press enter, so enter executes the code, but there are possibilities to also highlight the lines. Now, this code is maybe slightly longer, but it gives you the desired result, which is a clearly laid out bar plot. I hope this video is helpful for you, and make sure to subscribe and comment down below if you have any questions on how to use RStudio. Thank you for watching.